The hue and saturation effect is one of the most versatile and widely used color correction tools inside Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. At its core, this effect allows you to control and manipulate three main properties of color: hue, saturation, and lightness. This is episode 10 of Master All Effects in After Effects. Hue and saturation. Hue refers to the actual color value on the color wheel. By adjusting the hue control, you can shift every color in your footage around the spectrum. For example, greens can become blues, or reds can turn into purples. This is especially powerful when you want to create stylized looks, surreal color palettes, or even match elements from different shots that do not naturally align. Saturation controls the intensity of a color. Increasing saturation makes colors more vivid and eye-catching, while decreasing it can soften the palette or even remove color completely, moving towards a black and white or desaturated look. This is perfect for drawing attention to certain parts of a scene, or setting a specific mood. Lightness adjusts the brightness of the colors. Pushing it up makes tones appear lighter and washed out, while pulling it down creates darker, moodier imagery. It should be used carefully, as excessive lightness adjustments can flatten contrast or cause color clipping. The effect is divided into several key controls. 1. Master Hue. This shifts all colors of the entire composition around the color wheel. For example, you can instantly transform a green forest into an autumn-like red landscape, or change a blue ocean into a surreal purple. It is ideal for stylized looks or creative transitions. 2. Master Saturation. This increases or decreases the overall color intensity of your footage. Higher values create a vibrant, energetic look, while lower values help you achieve a cinematic, desaturated mood. 3. Master Lightness. This brightens or darkens the global color output. It is useful for fine-tuning, but because it affects all colors equally, it should be applied carefully to avoid losing contrast. Where hue and saturation in After Effects becomes truly powerful is in its channel range controls. You can target 6 specific color ranges: reds, yellows, greens, cyans, blues, and magentas, and adjust hue, saturation, and lightness independently for each. For example, you might boost the saturation of the blues in a sky, while at the same time shifting the greens of the trees to a warmer tone, all without affecting skin tones or other areas of the image. Another important feature is the Colorize option. When activated, it overrides the natural colors of the footage and applies a single, uniform hue across the entire frame. With additional sliders for hue, saturation, and lightness, you can create monochromatic looks, sepia tones, or unique duotone stylizations often used in music videos, commercials, and title sequences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share new After Effects tutorials regularly to help you learn faster and create better projects. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update.